Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and the reason that I created this channel was because that I have always loved jewelry and I have always loved making jewelry. And in these videos, we will be learning how to make necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and possibly rings. Now, I thought we would just start out today by making these necklaces that are very simple necklaces because you don't have to add anything on it but a charm. But in the future videos, we'll be learning how to cut the chain to a certain length and putting on lobster claws and also jump rings. And that's a little bit more complicated, but I will show you how to make them. And also, I would like to show you these. These are necklaces that I have already made, and as you can see, it's a beautiful silver heart, and if you can see by the camera how the light just hits it and it shines so beautifully. And also, they have the beautiful earrings, and I will also teach you how to do the French hook earrings too in future videos. And also, we have the cute little duck necklace, and it kind of shines too, and the cute duck earrings. And maybe I'll even show you how to make one of these sets on there too. And now over to the video. First of all, I have two chains here, and the first one is a gold chain, and this chain is already done for you. Now, this gold chain and the silver chain that I'm going to show you or tell you about, I got these at my very favorite craft store, Hobby Lobby. Now, you guys may have other craft stores in your area, but that happens to be one of my very favorite craft stores. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this gold necklace. So you could pick any charm that you would like, preferably like if it has the gold ring to match like your gold chain. And what you do is you just take this necklace that is already done for you, and you just slide the little jump ring inside your hoop. Excuse me about that. I and you just slide that right in there once again. Okay, come on. There we go. And then you just slide it in there, and you take your lobster claw here, and then you just hook it in here. Okay, just a moment. Like so. And then you have your beautiful, cute little bull skull necklace. Okay, that's one of them. And then here we go again. So this here is the silver necklace, and this is already done for you too. And we're deciding to, if you like Western jewelry, which I do, and so does my cousin. Right here is your little cowgirl hat or little cowboy hat, whatever you prefer. And once again, you just take your chain and you just put it in your hoop here, like so. And then you just take and then you just fasten it like so. And then you have your really cute little cowgirl or cowboy hat necklace. Okay. And as I was saying about my favorite craft store, Hobby Lobby, as you can see, you can get these. You get like 6 pieces. This is like the chains that I was telling you about, which is already done. You can get some silver ones or you can get gold ones, whichever you prefer, or you could get both. And then you can get your charms, like I was showing you the bull skull necklace. And if you can see, we happen to get this on sale for $1.74. And so I thought it was really nice. And most of their Western stuff is called Poetic Spirit. And like this, we got it on sale for $1.62, the little cowboy hat. or cowgirl hat, whichever you prefer to say. And it's really nice, you know. I mean, it's not much, you know, that you have to be involved in like with tools and stuff right now. So I thought these would be just the nice starts out. And I would like to show you some of the necklaces that I have already made. And I will try to tell you a little bit about them. Okay. Now, I do like Star Wars, and there are a lot of Star Wars fans out there, which that is great. And this is the Stormtrooper. And it is really nice to wear. And now this is really cute. These are the teddy bears, and we have sold a necklace of these, and they really thought that they was cute. And these are like the teddy bear necklace and teddy bear earrings, and I think they're just really cute. You know, anybody could wear them. And then we have the airplanes, and these are really nice too. They're silver, and I really love these too. I have a pair of them myself, and I have a bracelet too, and they're really nice. And then once again, if you love Western jewelry, or you just even have a pet Highland cow, I think this is really cute, and I just love it. And I own one, and I even made my cousin one for her birthday. And then this is a beautiful gold cross necklace. I mean, it will shine certain ways. I mean, all you have to do is turn it, and it reflects light, and it is really a beautiful necklace. And then this is a gold necklace with Jesus on the cross, and this is a really nice necklace too. And I just love this one too. And so what I was going to tell you is, if you like any of these necklaces that I have made today, or any of the ones that you see here, I do have a website on Etsy, and I will link it down below. And because it would be really great appreciated if you would go on there and look to see all what I have, and if you would purchase it, or that would be really appreciated too. And my jewelry is really inexpensive, and so uh, I would just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to view my video. And please remember to hit the like, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.